Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how to install ESP32 and ESP8266 board support in the Arduino IDE step by step. First, open your Arduino IDE. Next, go to the top menu, click on File, and then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the field called Additional Board Manager URLs. Now, copy and paste this ESP32 board URL into the box. Then, add this ESP8266 URL as well. If there are multiple links, make sure they are separated properly. Once you've added both URLs, click OK to save the settings. Now go to Tools, then Board, and open the Board's Manager. In the search bar, type ESP32. When you see ESP32 by Espressif Systems, click Install. Next, search for ESP8266 and install the package by ESP8266 Community. After installation, go back to Tools, then Board, and select your ESP32 or ESP8266 board. And that's it. Your ESP boards are now ready to use with Arduino IDE. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.